Good afternoon, everybody. Can you all hear me? So let's quickly get started because of our time. This afternoon, we are expecting some high impact news on Canadian dollar, which is the Bank of Canada rate statement. So this is a statement that doesn't have data, but it's going to be released during this news. Okay, so they don't usually write the actual or forecast and all that. Then we have overnight rates. So Canadian dollar for overnight rates, meaning that also the interest rate is something like interest rate. Let me show you here. Okay, interest rate at major financial institutions borrow and lend overnight funds between themselves. So this is also interest rates between two financial institutions. So this is also another high impact news. And the forecast is around 4.25. Okay, the previous was 4.50%, but the forecast is around 4.25%, which means that if the news, the current data that comes up at the moment is higher than 4.25 and is written in green, okay, like this, written in green, it shows that it's a boost for Canadian dollar and shows that Canadian dollar will be more strong. So we expect more strength for Canadian dollar. But if it's written in red, and of course, and is lower than this projected percentage, it means that we are going to go towards a bearish sentiment for Canadian dollar, which means that we are going to sell Canadian dollar, right? Also, we have on JOLTS job openings. This also is another news, number of job openings during reported month, excluding farming industry. So this is just a joint open labor by US, okay? So this also, if the JOLTS is higher, it means that a whole lot of vacancies, a lot of people were employed for the month, for the month of August, and which could also be very, cause a very bullish movement, which will cause a very bullish strength for what? For United States dollar. Also by 3:30, there also be a press conference by Bank of Canada. So this is just the high impact news that we are having. This is the high impact news that we are having by 2:45. So we need to trade with extremely caution and also apply proper risk so we do not lose a high capital of our fund. So we trade with cautions. And also this Friday is NFP, non-farm payroll this Friday, where we are also going to do our live session by Friday. So if you have not joined or if you've not funded your account, it's very easy. Try to open an account with Puprime and fund it. Then we are going to come up on live on Friday at 1:15 p.m. We're going to come out live and also give us signals on how we can make profit for the non-farm payroll session. Okay, so let's go to USDX. Let's go to USDX. So USDX is just dollar. Okay, this is dollar and this is dollar. Can you all see my chart? I need to confirm if you all can see my chart. Can you all see my chart? Can you drop the fire emoji if you can see my chart? Hello? Can you all see my chart?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so we start with daily time frame.
Yes, you can see it. Good afternoon.
And we are going to look towards what we are expecting for daily time frame. Okay, so looking at dollar, we have a kind of market reaction. So I'm going to change the line chart first, because I'm going to change to line chart, and I'm going to draw our shapes here. Okay, so this is the nearest resistance that was broken on daily time frame. So I'm going to change to candlesticks. So this nearest resistance that was broken on daily time frame, and we have rejections. So possible rejections at this level for dollar, which is the level of around 101.410 region. Okay, so on 4 hours time frame, we can see that we have a support become what? Resistance level here. And because we are having a news session, right? This is news coming up by 3 p.m. So I will be very, very bullish on dollar, but this going by this market structure, okay, going by this market formation. But if the news comes otherwise, then it means that we still have areas for price to turn up or for buyers to come in. So if the news comes out negative for US dollar, we have this resistance also that needs to be retested as the behavior of the market. If you look at the behavior of the market here, we have this resistance becomes what? Support, right? So this area too, we are also looking at this area for a rejection. So 2 things that I'm looking for dollar indices. I'll be bullish. I'm looking towards a bullish sentiment for dollar indices because we are at a very strong resistance become support zone on daily time frame. Okay, we are at a very strong resistance become support zone on daily time frame, and we'll be having series of ranging at this level, which shows that we might literally become bullish at the long run. And also, if you look at this pattern, we have a pattern forming like an head and shoulder pattern, right? So here, then we boom to the upside. If I change it to line chart, it could be very, very clear and very, very visible on line chart. Be very, very visible on line chart. So let me change it to line chart. So we can see the head and shoulder pattern. You can see the head and shoulder pattern. Can you see it? So this is forming, right? So we can consider this as the head here.
Reverse head and shoulder.
You can see this head. This is the left shoulder forming, right? And this zone, okay? So this market is trying to form the right shoulder around here and move to the upside. So these are some of the things that is giving me clarity and that we are looking towards bullish sentiment. And also, if we use judging by this trend line, okay, judging by this trend line break, we can see that we have a break on this trend line, which also could show bullish sentiment for euro, for dollar. So I'm bullish on dollar. Let's go to USD CHF. So for USD CHF on daily time frame, we also look at the market. We are also seeing this level. What I'm seeing here, I'm seeing outright bullish for dollar, US, and anti-dollar pair, right? I mean, dollar pair, okay? I'm seeing bullish sentiment for dollar pair, right? So we also have the same thing. This is resistance zone, rejection to become a support level. Now, are we going to buy? This market has already moved ahead of us. So I would look for a retracement. I'll wait for a retracement probably on 15 minutes time frame because we still have this high to be broken, this last resistance. That is where we have the retracement and all that. And also, if you look at this pattern, here, you will see resistance become what? Support level. Then we are seeing more bullish sentiment to the upside. Okay, so for USD CHF, I'll be very, very bullish, but I'll wait for a proper retracement before we buy. Okay, so when is the retracement occurring? I would love to see price come back to probably this level, 0.8460, this level. Then we now have buyers coming into the market. Okay, so that is what I am anticipating for USD CHF. Okay, so we'll be having a lot of others. So people are saying, let's look at GBP USD. Let's look at GBP USD because of our time. Now, for GBP USD, like I said, for GBP USD, we are also rejecting this strong support area. So we are going to mark, change to the line chart to mark our areas. We have here, right? We have here. Okay, we also have this area. Also, we also have this area, right? So prices literally, we could also expect probably a short retracement before we move to the downside. But I would love to see price reject 1.30073 region before we see any buyers coming in. So I'll still be very, very patient, although my bias is bearish. Okay, my bias is just a short time sell. Okay, we already had a retest of this level, and we also have this resistance become support region, this level, right? So we have resistance become, support broken to become a what? Resistance, right? So we have an SBR level. In fact, what I would love to see here, I'd love to take a bearish sentiment, right? I'd love to take a bearish sentiment, probably a sell stop order for GBP USD. Okay, so a sell stop order for GBP USD will not be a bad idea. Probably we take it from here, right? From here. Okay, let me look at 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so a self-stop order will not be a bad idea, okay, but we are still going to be very, very patient for it to materialize. So my bias is quite bearish, and also we also have this forming a flag pattern, right? Forming a flag pattern. I was on buy on it. Okay, there's no problem. We could have a short buy if that's your bias, but my bias, what I'm seeing, I'm literally bearish on GBP USD. So we have here, you can see it. So how do we enter into the market? A break below this trend line to give us a very good entry. I would have given a stop order, but this market is close to a support level, so it is not good. We might have market move up a little bit, a retracement before crashing to the downside. But my bias this afternoon is I'm bearish on GBP USD. And going to so the pattern dollar has been given. Dollar is now has managed to be showing some level of strength in the market. So we can look at Euro USD. Euro USD is outrightly bearish. Okay, Euro USD is outrightly bearish. So we can take a short sell on Euro USD. Also, if you look at market here, you have a resistance at this zone. Okay, so we have a resistance, market rejecting that level, and also another resistance level at this level. So a short sell is not going to be a bad idea for Euro USD. So we can take a short sell at the moment. Sell Euro USD. Selling Euro USD is not going to be a bad idea. So sell Euro USD at current market price, and stop loss. Our stop loss is going to be here. No, a little bit above this resistance. That is how many pips? How many pips? Stop loss. 30 pips stop loss is too high. So let's look at 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so let's put it here. Okay, so let's look at this stop loss level. Probably is reduced. 17, 20 pips stop loss. Okay, so I'd love to sell Euro USD. If you don't want to take the current price, you don't want to sell at this current market, you could also find another resistance here that market could reject. So Euro USD sell at current market price, CP1 would be this level, right? And CP2 will be around this level. Okay, so Euro USD sell now. So I'm typing it here. Okay, let me type it here. Euro USD sell now. SL 1.10640 TP1 1.10323 TP2 1.10103. Okay, so I can take that. I want to drop it also on our funded client group. So for your information, Puprime also has a funded client group. So Puprime also has a funded client group. So if you don't, if you are a funded client, if you are not on the funded client group, you are missing a lot. Okay, so I'm writing it here. So sell Euro USD, sell now, SL, SL, SL 1.10640, CP1, CP1 1.10323, CP2 1.10103. Okay, so that's that for Euro USD. And for Euro USD. So let's go to GBP USD. Okay, we've done GBP USD. Let's go to gold. So these are some of the pairs that I am looking towards this afternoon. I'm going to gold. And if you want us to analyze any pair for you, kindly tell us so we can help you look at it together. So on daily time frame for gold, so daily time frame for gold, I am seeing gold get to $3,000 before the ending of this year. Gold could get to $3,000 because you see ending of this year, and you can see we are having double rejections at this level. So I won't be bearish on gold. I'm looking towards buying because of this level. And what will ascertain my buy? It's a break of this resistance, right? A break of this resistance will give me more reasons to buy. To buy gold. Euro CAD, BTC, okay, more reason to buy gold. So I'm watchful. I'm looking at it. We have broken this structure, and this could also be a retracement where we have another resistance here. This could also be a retracement, but I want a break of this high before I think towards buying gold. So I'll be patient at the moment for gold. Okay, I'll be patient at the moment for gold. Somebody said BTC USD. I will also look at Euro CAD and we round it up. BTC USD. Okay, so for BTC USD, like I said, I'm not seeing any bullish sentiment for BTC USD. All I'm seeing is just BS, sellers coming in to this market. And currently, from the higher time frame perception, we are seeing much bearish, okay? Much bearish because price is trying to form a lot of reversal and you are seeing this rejection coming up. So on daily time frame, like I said, I'll be looking towards more sales for BTC USD, but of course, we need to wait for a retracement, okay? We need to wait for a retracement for a previous support become resistance zone, which is here, okay? So here, we could have a rejection at this level before we sell. So BTC USD, we are currently in a retracement phase. I'm looking towards to sell again at 57,505.60 region. Okay, so we are in a retracement phase, but I'm looking towards to sell. So I'm going to be patient because I don't want to trade against the trend. The trend is bearish, so it's better for us to wait for the retracement. That is, we sell when the market is high. Okay, that is that. Last one is Euro CAD. Then we run it up, Euro CAD, Euro CAD, Euro CAD. Euro CAD. Okay, Euro CAD. Okay, so Euro CAD on a daily time frame. We have this rejection. Okay, 4 hours time frame. I'll be ready for a bearish sentiment for Euro CAD. I'll be ready for a bearish sentiment for Euro CAD. maybe I should put a sell stop order, because we need price to break this low before we sell. So we need price to break this low before we sell EuroCAD. Price needs to break this low before we sell EuroCAD. So we'll be waiting for the low to be broken, then we enter at retracement. Okay, we'll be waiting for this low to be broken, then we enter at retracement. Okay, so that is that for EuroCAD. The low, it's around the low of 1.49593, 1.49593. Okay, 1.49593. Okay, so let's say we should look at USJPY. Okay, USDJPY from a daily time frame perception, we are likely bearish because we have market rejecting this as an hour level. Support become resistance here. Okay, so we've gotten rejections, but there is a support also at this level that we are also looking towards. Support at this level that we are also looking towards 4 hours time frame. Okay, so two things I would love to see on USDJPY, just I love to see on the USDJPY, if market will bounce off this support, market bounce off this support, then we will decide buying. Okay, but if it doesn't, if we break this support, then we enter at retracement, then we sell the more. Okay, but with what I'm seeing, I think the market will react positively from that support. So I think it will react positively from that support. And if you look at this level, I marked up this level. This level is also a fresh support become resistant. Okay, it has been taken. So I marked up this zone also on 1 hour time frame, but I hope it will be broken. Okay, so my own higher setup for a bullish sentiment will be around this level, will be around 1.44, I mean 144.115 region. You know, news is coming. Okay, news is coming by 3 p.m. So we also have to be careful also and trade with proper caution. Okay, so that is that for my own analysis on USJPY. So I'm looking towards a bullish sentiment at 144.115 area. I'm not saying anybody should buy now, because we don't need to buy for. I mean, we don't need to sell. We just need to be patient for the market to do its thing. Okay. Okay. And another way to also get that, it's if we use a trend line. So a trend line break will give me more reasons to buy, right? A trend line break will give me more reasons to what? To buy. So something like this, trend line break above here, right? Trend line break above here. Above, retest, then we can buy USDJPY, because this is a compressional move down to this support. So I'm looking towards bullish sentiment. So if the buy does not happen here, then I'll look towards 144.115 region. Okay, so I dropped a signal. Let's see, Euro USD is sell signal on Euro USD. So we'll see what is happening. So yes, market rejected this level. So let's see. It's also at this rejection zone. Okay, so our first TP is 1.10323. Okay, so 1.10323 area. Okay, so that is that this afternoon. Have a wonderful trading time. And don't forget, this Friday, we are going to go live for NFP, non-farm payroll. So try and fund your account. I'm giving a live signal, and it has been profitable back to back. And also, if you are a beginner, we are also doing a 6 weeks boot camp, which you can also join our beginners class and also learn. Okay, so today by 7 p.m., the link is going to be shared on every of our WhatsApp group for you to join and have more knowledge about trading in financial market. We also have a copy trade system. So if you are trading, if you are scared of trading or you don't have time, you can copy expert traders, and they trade for you. And at the end of the month, you can make as high as 10% minimum of 10% from your trading capital. Have a wonderful training session, everybody. My name is Michael, and good afternoon.
Thank you very much, sir.
Have a good day, sir. Bye.